Hey everyone, Dor here from Mod Bikes. I'm excited to show you the all-new Mod City Plus 3. An all-around electric bike built for everyday commutes, weekend rides, and even on-the-go travel. Although it's compact, foldable, and weighs only 62 pounds, the City Plus doesn't cut corners. It packs a powerful 750-watt motor that makes hill feel flat and gives you all the speed and torque you need. Add in dual suspension and you got a ride that's smooth, stable, and ready for anything. The large removable battery gives you up to 50 miles per charge. Heading out for even more adventure? Carry and swap a second battery for even more range. And comfort matters. The upright frame makes hopping on and off easy, while the adjustable stem and suspension seat post lets you fine-tune your fit. From 5'2" to 6'4", the City Plus 3 adjusts for you. Up front, our smart color display keeps everything in view. Speed, range, assist level, and even includes a USB port to charge your phone. With torque sensor, throttle, and 5 riding modes, you're in control of how much power you want and how you ride. As far as safety, it comes standard. Hydraulic disc brakes deliver confident stopping power, and integrated front and rear lights keep you visible from every angle. Plus, with Mod Connect, you can even sync a smart Lumos helmet and control turn signals right from the bike control panel. Need to carry more? Snap-on accessories like a front or rear basket, expandable trunk bag, or even a passenger seat makes the City Plus as versatile as your lifestyle. Bottom line, the Mod City Plus 3 may come in a small package, but it's loaded with features so you never have to compromise. With our 5-year limited warranty, 5-star support, and 14-day free at-home trial, there is every reason to try it out. Head over to modbikes.com or give us a call to learn more. Let's ride.